Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through some tips in order to save your battery percentage on your Android device. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, what you can do is you can enable the built-in battery saving features. Go to your settings for that and open it up. And once you open it up, what you may do is you may just go over and scroll through the given options and look out for the option called battery and device care and tap on it. And after you tap on it, here you should be finding different options. You can look out for the option called battery and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you can start by turning on the power saving option. So look out for the battery saver or power saving option. You can look out for it and enable the toggle option right beside it. You can enable the toggle option like this and the battery saving will be turned on. You can also look out for the battery usage limits. You can tap on it and there you can look out for these options such as putting the unused apps to sleep. You can turn that option on and you can even um, look out for sleeping apps and deep sleeping application, etc. And look out for those in order to look out for your usage limits and control it. Apart from that, if you want to extend the battery lifespan, you can even turn on this option called Protect Battery. You can limit the maximum charge up to 85% by tapping on this toggle option right beside it, and that will do so. And apart from that, you can look out for your history here, which application you're using your battery the most. After that, you can try using those application lists and even try restricting it and shorten the screen timeout for these certain applications. And that's it. Apart from that, if you're using different applications at the same time, you can clear it out and you can restrict the background applications as well. And also, rather than waiting for your battery to drop to 0% before charging, you can charge your phone in smaller bursts throughout the day. That will reduce the long term battery stress. And that's it. So you can try out these tips in order to save up your battery on your Android device. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.